So every time I get my phone to record these Egyptian geese, sorry for the birdies, they stop making their noise. So this is me. Every time they make a noise, I get my camera and then they stop, and it seems to be working. So if anybody has got a duck problem, I mean Egyptian goose problem, just get out your camera and point it at them. Because I swear, every time I go inside, they start laughing. It's like back, 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 back. Shame. The struggle is real, hey? I could have bigger problems, but here I am. Not a ship in sight, no traffic.
Departing ahead. Approaching your goal. I found more distance. 48, the Cape left, Alpha Shelf Alpha Ground 120 domestic flight.
Last Sierra and SK3.
Let's see what our way goes for my Kowalski. Remain out of the
SK3 last Sierra.
Let's check 3, go ahead.
SK3, we gonna look everything out to the south and north now. 1.7 north. SK3 is line down.
This is number 1, yeah, looting the truck. Looting the truck, yeah. Here's the registration, here's the cars, yeah. Looting, looting, looting. All of them, another one. Looting. Oh, another one looting, yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Some other people looting here. Yeah. Their company truck. Looting, looting, looting. Another one. Looting. 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 What hey, hey? What hey, hey? What hey, hey? All of them here. All looting. Another company vehicle looting the trucks. Looting, lock, load, fire safety, looting the trucks. Yeah. Looting the trucks, yeah. On N2. Some more people. Some more people looting. How are you, boss? It's good to steal.
Oh, they take it.
Is it good to steal? They jump in the fire, you're gonna jump in the fire. All looting. Look at this. Got Metro standing here, letting it happen. Now look at this. Metro standing here, the freeway's gridlocked. All looting. All. Look at this, so he got a whole trolley and all looting here. Whole trolley here. Looting. Look. Look. Look at this. There's Metro ducking down there.
Wat rij je, weet je?
Je was no nee.
Dat is niet meer voor ons.
Ja, neem maar video.
Ik heb een eigen draai op voor ons.
Kan. Neem maar zomaar die video. Kijk, hier zo is het heel stijl af.
Hier moet je niet draai van dit verdampt werden. Zo.
Ja.
Is die muur?
Hier is al klaar. Hier is al met een fietsje afgeneerd.
Dit is een enkel steenmuur, dit is een dubbel steenmuur.
Je ziet nog steeds die enige vorm van cement daar binnen nie. Hier al verbrokkel. Mense. Maar dit is asemrowend mooi. As jy hier pas een keer in 10 jaar is genoeg.
Stefan, 22 km/h, 20 km/h, dis wat ons nou ry.
Ja. Ja, kyk hulle hierdie af. Mens.
Hier is nie meer 'n muur.
Nee, hierso is niks barrier nie.
Ja, ek kan eers kyk hoe vinnig ons ry.